Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration, a power hour collab with my sweet friend Kadene from All Things Kadene, and I'll tell you more about her channel in a little bit. I'll also be announcing the giveaway winner in today's video, so stick around for that. Hope you guys enjoy and have a blessed day. So guys, on this particular day, I had just woken up from a nap. Luckily, I got up just in time because it was Bobby's day off and we were spending some time together as a family, and then me and the girls went down for a nap. And I woke up just in time to see him. He had already started cleaning up the kitchen, but I told him to pause because I needed to do a video for you all. So that's what I'm doing now. So guys, let me tell you a bit about Kadene. Her name is Kadene. Her channel name is All Things Kadene. She does tons of cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, cook with me, grocery hauls, and all things motherhood related. She has 3 beautiful babies and she's a wife and stay-at-home mom also. So if you guys enjoy cleaning motivation, you'll definitely enjoy her channel. She is one of the sweetest, genuine, most loving person I know on YouTube, and I am so happy to have found a friendship with her through YouTube. So please do consider heading over to her channel after you watch this video. Give her a subscribe and let her know that I sent you there. And if you are coming over from her channel, please welcome. Thank you. My name is Terisha. I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom of 2 beautiful baby girls, and on the channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation. I'm happy to have you guys here, and I hope you guys enjoy both our videos. Love y'all.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So guys, y'all know little mama don't give me a break, and so I had to just pause, pick her up, and just continue doing what I was doing because it was getting late, and we had somebody coming in on the following morning to come fit up our TV stand. We finally got it, thank God. And that's another story for a whole nother day. We've been waiting for months, since the end of January, for the TV stand that we ordered from Ashley's Furniture. Could not get it. after calling them several times and they keep giving us different dates, we finally went and had them refund the money, and I ordered something off of Wayfair. I don't know why I didn't do that sooner, but you know, when you had your heart set on something and you've waited so long and you're like, okay, we've waited this long, we might as well continue waiting. But I don't think that enough time had passed and we couldn't go another month without it. Like, it would have been July, so we ended up ordering something off Wayfair and we got it within 4 days, and it was over Memorial Day weekend, and I'm so happy for that. We paid for the assembly. The guy came and he fitted up the following morning, and it's up, and I'm so excited for that. So stay tuned for the living room transformation, guys. I ordered some other stuff off Amazon. Unfortunately, it won't be here anytime soon, within the next week, so I'll have that video up for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
So guys, while I was making the bed, the timer went off, so I went a minute over my 60 minutes. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment, and check out Kadene's channel. I want to say thank you guys to every single body who entered the giveaway. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner. I'm so sorry about that, but stick around, there will be more giveaways in the future, and good luck. I truly hope that whoever wins this giveaway will be somebody who truly needs it. So yeah, good luck. I have all the names in this bottle, and I'm gonna dump it in this empty. Come on. And then I'm gonna have this little one. Shake it around. Let me get this out. Oh, this is gonna come out, but this is everything. And then I'm gonna have this little miss come and help me. Come, stay right here. Dip your hand in there. One, put it in mommy's hand. Okay, so she choose one, and it's peaches. All right, and I'm gonna choose another one just in case peaches always come within 24 hours. All right, come again, mama. Dip.
One.
Another one. Okay. Sizzles. Ooh. Ooh. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So, sizzles. So sizzles will be The runner-up if Peaches don't respond in 24 hours. So congrats to Peaches. Thank you, Mama. You can go now. Alright, congrats to Peaches. You won.